My name is Masha. I live in the Netherlands and I came here to Thailand for holidays and to Chiang Mai to explore. And I think if you come to Chiang Mai, then you immediately learn a lot about the hill tribes from everywhere. Everybody tells you about it. So but I think it's a different experience to actually do something. What I am personally interested in is fabrics and fashion and all kinds of things like that. And in Thailand, with they're different fabrics, there's Thai silks and so on. And it's but here in the north, you see all these patterns that belong to different tribes, and I wanted to. Really learn about how it's done. And so I just try to look up different classes on just anything related to fabrics or even to just the tribes and what they do. And this was the one that came up. It was very nice and easy to get about the culture here, because it is like from traveling around Thailand, it's very different culture here. It feels like a different environment, so it's really nice to be able to experience it like this with just working with the women. I made my own little weave today, just in a couple of hours. Show it. So and it's an amazing experience, really, because you get to you get shown how to do it, and you take your time, and it requires a little bit concentration, but it's really nice to see like how the patterns are created and like what are the ways to manipulate them and make different fabrics. I think today in the world where the world is very fast and there's a lot of technology and everything is automated, it's very nice to sort of go back to the roots of it and how things are done, slow down, do something authentic, do something that people used to live off and continue to live off, and sort of be a part of it. So that's why I think this was really an amazing experience. Very interesting also to learn a little bit about this center, where they teach other things as well. So I believe embroidery and also do different experiences with the tribes. So I think next time I would definitely try the other projects as well, because this was absolutely amazing.